Alright, so as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, we got a big unboxing today. I'll show y'all what we're going through. So basically, um, this detailing kit, mobile device detailing kit for your phone. Got it from OtterBox. Really not gonna do an unboxing of certain stuff like this. I won't do an unboxing. I'm just showing y'all what I got when I placed the order for my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, got me a new charger. This is the cord, the cable. This is the box. You really don't have to do an unboxing because you just slide it down the show. You know, that's pretty much it. This is my old cord and cable. You can see from my 15 Pro Max over the years how it's damaged and stuff now and worn out. This is over the years. Uh, yeah, that's the cable. This is the wall charger, all from OtterBox. OtterBox, fast charge. See that? Got a nice little block. This video is being recorded on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Man, it's kind of hard. So snappy. I like the box top. But yeah, you don't really gotta do a unboxing for that. You know, it's pretty much it. And this is my case. I always go with OtterBox cases and accessories, besides the shield for my phone. But yeah, I always get the symmetry series. I like the way it feel. It's thick and thin, like at the same time. Pause, no homo. But yeah, this is my old one for my dirty 15 Pro Max that I'm using recording now. I need to clean that. I'm gonna be selling this probably. Yeah, I'll probably sell this on eBay for a couple bucks. 15 Pro Max. Symmetry out of kit. Kept my phone in good shape past what 2-3 years, whatever. So I'm not gonna open that up. I'll just put that on off camera. Um, always go with Zag Shields. You get lifetime warranty on these, and they're just really good, man. They always protect my phone, my screen never gets broken. Never say never. Let me stop that. But it's protected really good. I used to have the privacy screen, but I went to this time around. I went with their 11 times stronger. I guess it's like the strongest one, XTR5, and they got a new way you put it on. I've been seeing this with a lot of people putting their screen protection on YouTube. Guess it's the new way. I haven't had to put nothing on in so many years. But yeah, you might see me do that. You might see me do that. I'm not sure. Yeah, I always go with that, man. It's lifetime guarantee. I think they give you like 2 or 3 in this here. And then if it cracks or breaks, you can literally just go online when you register it, send it back, and they get you a brand new one free of charge. Or like 10 bucks for shipping or something like that. But yeah, let's start the show. Here we go. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The silver. I was gonna go with the orange one and do the Michelangelo theme like everybody else, or the Halo theme, but it's just so many people online is doing it. This is actually like the same color of my 15 Pro Max. I got the natural titanium 15 Pro Max color, and this reminded me of it, so I went with the same combo with this color in case, like I did with my 15 Pro Max. I just like it's real sleek and just, I don't know, cool. But yeah, I know y'all have seen probably a lot of these already happening online, so we're just gonna hop straight into it. And I know y'all probably already seen your favorite YouTuber doing that. See, I haven't got a new phone in so long. I forgot that I got to do the bottom part too. And I'm eager to activate it because I'm switching lines. I'm switching service. So I'm gonna make this quick. I'm gonna make this pretty quick. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that is nice. That is nice. This thing won't see the. It's gonna be in the case forever. Though it's the first and last time it'll be out there pretty much. That is nice. I'm not gonna lie. It does look better than my 15. Oh, the back is different and stuff. Oh, and of course, it does come with the Apple cord, which I won't be using. I'll just save it. I'll put it in my desk and save it. But you already know. So I'll leave that there. Y'all see, though, it comes with the Apple cord. Jeez, that is nice. Let me put this up. Man, oh man. Feel premium to me. Got the power button right here, the camera button, action button or whatever, the volume buttons, volume control. Yeah, it does. Yeah. See, I upgrade every 2 years, so for me, this feel like an upgrade to me. But here we go. Oh man, that is nice. We might just power it on while we're right here. Yeah, I want this video to be under 10 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it soon and put everything on there and stuff. I might throw a video of me and her doing the screen set, the shield, screen protection. There you go, man. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna start trying to post a little bit more often, but I'm working 2 jobs right now, so it's kind of hard. All right, so I'm gonna try this on camera. I never did this before, but I'm gonna try this on camera. This might be towards the end of the video, or it might not make it. I don't know. So press the Zag logo for 5 seconds before opening. All right, so I'm guessing first clean your screen, place phone on the full tab. I'm so confused, kind of. So I place it downward. Okay, so phone's brand new. I do no cleaning. So I'm guessing you place it down like this, right? Place that like that. Place phone tab, place lid, and pull. My bad, I think I was doing that wrong. But yeah, I think this is how it goes. I'm hoping I'm doing this right. I got the full tab off. So it's after placed it on for 5 seconds. I think it's done. 100% sure if I did this right. Please bear with me. Uh, yeah, it's a screen protector definitely on there. Wow. Okay, so that was amazing. Hey, whoever came up with that, genius. Cause I used to suck at that. Oh my god, that's crazy. Yeah, man. Let me 1 second, 1 second. Oh man, let me just might as well pop this open and put it in there. While I got y'all here, so all you gotta do is show y'all how this looks. Oh, that's me. That's pretty much it. Yeah, this thing will never leave this case. Oh well, let me take all that off. There we go. Uh, Ready to rock and roll. That's how it fits. I got a protector for this too, for the camera and stuff. They forgot to send it with my Zag stuff, so I'm waiting on customer service from them. But yeah, I'll post screenshots of the deals and stuff that I got on this stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, man. So I went to trade into my 15 Pro Max today and ended up leaving with the new Series S, Series 11, 46 millimeter, upgrading from a Series 6. I think that's a 42. But yeah, this is real nice, man. Upgraded. Definitely needed. A 6 to 11. Keep watching this a long time, but yeah, I don't know. Just add this at the end of the video.